Ooh, on the golden savannah, under skies so wide, lived Gia the giraffe with her head held high. Golden plains where tall grass waves, Gia the giraffe begins her day. With a giggle and stretch she takes a peek, from leafy trees to the river creek. Hey Benny, she calls with a sunny cheer, as a baboon flips and swings so near. They laugh, they play with joyful sound, adventure is awaiting just all around. She is for giraffe, for giggles so bright, for golden grass and grand delight. With friends by your side, the world feels right. It's a G kind of day, from morning to night. Oh, 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 oh. They find sweet Ella splashing away, her trunk sprays music in a splashy ballet. Then Zara the zebra joins the fun, skipping and twirling in the midday sun. Through sunlit trails and breezy skies, they pass frogs leaping and butterflies. Then Gia sees with a curious view a shimmering pond that sparkles like dew. They dance in the light, a rainbow display, as butterflies twirl and sparkles play. Gia lifts her neck with joyful pride, this glowing place she holds inside. T is for giraffe and friendship that grows, for giggles, games, and golden glows. The best adventures bloom and bend, where every G story finds its end. G is for giraffe and for going on grand adventures with your friends.
Get ready to groove with the letter G. G is for giraffe and giggle. G is for giraffe, tall and proud, with the long, long neck that stands out in a crowd. Giggle, gallop, give a grin. Let's go learn where G begins. Giraffe's got spots and legs so high, eating leaves way up in the sky. G is for grapes, green and sweet. Let's grab a snack, it's time to eat. G is for giraffe, tall and proud, with a long, long neck that stands out in a crowd. Giddy up, giggle, don't delay, we're going on a G-filled day. G is for games and giggles galore, gumballs, grasshoppers, gifts and more. Guitar strumming with a golden sound, G is grooving all around. Giraffe walking with style, giggle and stretch that mile. Eli claps and points with glee, look, G is for you and me. Final G is for giraffe, tall and proud, with a golden smile that laughs out loud. Gallop and joy from A to Z, the letter G is wild and free. The letter G is wild and free.